Introducing the Sansui W28 wireless Bluetooth earbuds in an elegant secret night blue finish engineered for everyday listening, workout durability, and immersive sound. These true wireless earbuds feature the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, providing faster pairing, lower latency, and more stable connectivity than previous versions. Whether you're commuting, working, or on a call, the Sansui W28 delivers reliable performance across devices. One of the standout features of these earbuds is advanced active noise cancelling (ANC) technology. With a dual mic noise cancelling system, they reduce background noise significantly, letting you focus on your music or conversations, even in loud environments like subways, cafes, or airplanes. The environmental noise cancellation (ENC) microphones ensure crystal clear calls, blocking out ambient noise while capturing your voice with clarity. Whether you're taking an important work call or catching up with a friend, your voice remains front and center. The sound profile of the Sansui W28 is built for bass lovers. With a deeper bass response, these earbuds elevate low-end frequencies while maintaining clear mids and highs. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, classical, or podcasts, the audio balance remains full and rich. With stereo output and high-fidelity drivers, they give you an immersive experience akin to premium over-ear headphones. These earbuds boast an IPX4 waterproof rating, which makes them resistant to splashes and sweat. Ideal for gym sessions, running, or walking in light rain, the Sansui W28 is built to keep up with your active lifestyle. They're not submersible, but you won't have to worry about moisture interfering with your day. Battery life is another area where the W28 excels. You get up to 28 hours of total playback time. Approximately 6 hours from the earbuds themselves on a single charge, and another 22 hours from the compact charging case. Quick charge support means you can get hours of playtime from just a short charging session. Whether you're traveling or binge listening to your favorite playlists, these earbuds are ready to go the distance. The touch-sensitive controls let you manage music, calls, volume, and your voice assistant, like Siri or Google Assistant, with simple taps. There's no need to fumble with your phone. The ergonomic design ensures a snug and comfortable fit, with multiple ear tip sizes included to ensure maximum seal and comfort even during long listening sessions. The compact charging case not only keeps your earbuds secure but is also pocket-friendly and stylish, complementing the deep secret night blue colorway with a minimalist aesthetic. LED indicators show your battery levels at a glance. In terms of compatibility, the Sansui W28 works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, as well as laptops, tablets, and Bluetooth-enabled smart TVs. Gaming latency is minimal thanks to the advanced Bluetooth chipset, and the connection remains strong up to 10 meters away.